Welcome to Engage with Digital. I'm Allie and I rock with PRISM. Last week we brought you the power of video to connect. This week we're bringing you sort of a part 2 to that, which is the power of social media to connect. With all of the uncertainty that we're currently living in, small businesses in particular can be negatively impacted by this. Businesses that typically rely on traditional marketing and word of mouth to bring in new business are hurting right now. If you're experiencing that, one thing you can do to stay ahead of the curve and continue to bring in new business is start your social media marketing strategy. Social media continues to be one of the easiest ways to get in front of existing clients and new eyes. It's a great way to make sure you're illustrating what you do, why you do it, and how to get people on board with what you do. And getting started is super easy. Really all you need to start with your social media marketing is a laptop or a computer, a little bit of free time, and some creativity. So something we've touched on before is figuring out which platform works best for you. Do some research and figure out who you're trying to connect with and where they are. We recommend that businesses typically start with Facebook because it's pretty versatile. There are a lot of different people on there and there are a lot of active users every single day. Don't overwhelm yourself and try to be on every platform immediately. Start with 1 to 2 and go from there. Figure out what type of content you want to share and how frequently you want to share it. There's a number of different types of content that you can share. Everything from engaging content to promotional to educational. Engaging content is everything from Wednesday wisdom to Monday motivation, sort of the lighthearted, silly stuff. Promotional content sort of explains what you do and why you do it and why people should care. Educational content is pivotal, especially right now as people are looking to social media for news on what's going on in the world. If you can find an article that you can, just relate to back to your business or just to your community, that's gold to share on your social media. Don't worry about posting more than once a day. We recommend 2 to 3 times a week is safe, but no more than once a day. And remember that both authenticity and consistency are key in this. Make sure that you are really illustrating the voice of your business and relating to your audience. And make sure that you're able to commit to consistently posting. If you aren't able to consistently commit, then you're not going to see the results that you're really expecting to see. If you're able to commit to your social strategy and regularly share content to your audience, that will be pivotal in helping your business continue through this difficult time. To help you stay consistent with your social media strategy, we recommend putting together a social media calendar. You can do this using Excel or Google Sheets. This way you can just line up every single post you have coming up in the weeks or months, however long you plan on scheduling out. And this will really help hold you to those posts and make sure that your strategy is clear and you're getting out the content that you want to. Once you have that together, we recommend looking into different scheduling tools. Tools like Buffer, Social Pilot, and Hootsuite. This way you can lock and load every single post and you won't have to worry about it. They'll schedule out on their own and they'll post on their own. As you put together your social media strategy and you are picking out different types of content to share, consider what type of content you would like to see. As an artist, I look for things, that are aesthetically pleasing as far as graphics and, behind the scenes, things like that. So think about what other things you might want to include with your content as far as graphics go. Pictures of your staff, of the business are absolutely a gold mine with social media strategies. Getting started with your social media strategy can be overwhelming. That's why here at PRISM Media, we specialize in social media marketing. Our team of social media experts will take your social strategy through beginning to end. Everything from content creation, graphic design, to scheduling and posting, and most importantly, bringing you the results that you're looking for. So if you're ready to get started with your social media strategy, visit us at chooseprism.com or email us at create@chooseprism.com. If you found value in this video, please feel free to share it with your friends and colleagues. As always, be sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Thank you again for joining us as we continue our commitment to help you share your story, build your brand, and most importantly, create your future. Thanks for choosing PRISM.